Alright, we got the flex. This is the turbo mode. This is the turbo drill. It's a hammer drill. It comes with the handle. You got 1 and 2 speeds here. You got 23 clutch settings here. You got drilling mode, so we'll leave it at drilling mode. Speed 2. You got a 5 amp hour battery. Right now we got 3 bars. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Don't forget to help us out. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we're going to start with some simple drilling here. This is 3/8 Milwaukee bit. So you guys see here, simple drilling. No problem. Is a 1/4 inch spade bit. No problem. We got a 3/4 inch auger bit. So you guys see, it's a self-feeding, so it's very aggressive. No problem. Alright, we got a little bigger one here. This is a huge bit. This is a 1 inch auger bit. No problem. Seemed like it slowed down, but it did it, no problem. If you guys don't know, these are really aggressive. These are really hard on drills. This is 2 1/8 Irwin Marpus Forstner bit. We're all the way in. I'll take this off. We got a 4-inch lag here. This requires a lot of strength, a lot of power, especially from a drill. This is a 4-inch lag, so we're gonna go ahead and run this in there with this drill. We're gonna try it on speed 1. Did you guys see it cracked? It's cracked. We're gonna take this off. Definitely gotta say, this guy's a beast. I will be putting this against the DeWalt 996, and hopefully, if let me know down in the comment section which tool would you like to see this with. I'm probably gonna go end up buying another tool just to put this against it. So help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one.